Hi, my name is Matthew Pierce. I'm a software engineer, and today we're going to talk about how to add commands to the startup in Linux. That's useful to have startup commands added. So when you log into the system, you can perhaps have your favorite editor pop up or the Firefox browser or something like that. It's pretty easy to add to that, and also you can add things such that when the system reboots and comes up before anybody even logs in, something can be started. So one of them is kind of your own personal startup method, or commands that start up when you log in, and the other one is when the system starts up, and I'll show you both ways. So what you want to do is open up a window or a terminal in your system here, and probably the easiest way to add a command to your startup is just to edit the .bash profile file. So if you go vi.bash profile, you can see right there, this is my startup script that happens every time I log in, and I've added down here at the bottom, I've added this command here, just user bin start Firefox. And you have to use the ampersand, or you have to redirect your standard in, standard out, and standard error so that the shell window can continue on with startup. Otherwise, if I didn't have that ampersand in there, my .bash profile would stop right here, start up Firefox, and wait for you to exit it, and it'll never move on. So you got to make sure you have the ampersand at the end for that. Now, a second way of doing this is through the root account, and you edit your cron tab file to put a command in that will get run every time you reboot. So to do that, you have to be in root, or you have to be using the root account. So I have to su to root. So now you're in root, you type cron tab -e, and then you just type right down here, you type at reboot, and then your command here. And what that'll do is that will run on reboot, it will run your command, whatever it is, start up some process or something, every time the system is rebooted, and it'll be there available for, well, depending upon how the permissions are that you set it, it'll be available for whomever you decide can't have it. So for instance, you could have it start up, maybe start a firewall, or maybe a network monitoring tool or something, whatever you want to do, and it'll run here before anybody else gets to log in, before their X session starts and all that. My name is Matthew Pierce. Today we talked about how to add commands to startup in Linux. Thanks for watching.